In this video, I'm going to show you how to make lightsabers in Roblox Studio for free. This system was actually developed for a game which one of my studios was working on, but we ditched it after this was made. So here it is, for free. As you can see, it's a pretty advanced system. It tracks the player's mouse and moves accordingly. It cuts off body parts when they contact the blade. However, this only works for our 15 rigs. To start, create a tool and name it Lightsaber. Inside the tool you're going to need a part or mesh named blade. Go ahead and make that blade neon, and add a point light inside of it. For this one, I set the brightness to 40 and the range to 3. You can easily pick whatever color you want. You're also going to need a handle inside the tool. This isn't the tutorial to show you how Tool Grip Editor works, but it's simple for newbies also. Now that the lightsaber looks how you want, place a local script inside the tool. That first section is just defining basic variables. The first function is just a helper function, waiting for motor 6D, which is required because we're using R15. After that it defines mouse tracking variables, and the track right arm function runs once the player equips the tool. Then it gets the arm parts, joints, and stores their original positions. After all that, we're finally ready to begin tracking. The math is a bit complicated, but it basically finds where the mouse is in 3D space, calculates a vector from the shoulder to the mouse position, and then converts that vector into torso local space for rotation math. Then we have the unequipped stuff, just making sure it stops tracking when the tool gets unequipped. For the last script, put a server script in server script service, and we'll title this lightsaber. You're going to need to input your own sound ID, and these variables are all customizable. Damage values determines how much damage the player receives when the blade hits it. You can also make parts non-severable. Hit debounce prevents the same part from being sliced repeatedly within a short time frame, and clash timestamps avoid slicing right after a clash. You can also disable the blood effect if your Roblox game needs to be minimal violence. There's some logic to prevent slicing right after blades collide. And then, we have the main slicing logic. It's actually a really smart system where it just clones the part that was severed, then applies velocity and random spin, and cleans it up after 8 seconds. We have some hit detection, and blade clash detection. Then we wrap it up with player event handling, like ensuring every player's character is set up with the hit clash detection both when they spawn in and when they respawn. And that is the entire lightsaber system. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.